You have your photos organized. Now what? Where are you going to put them? Where are you going to store your photos? Printed photos like to live where you do. They want even temperatures and even humidity. Wild swings in temperature, hot and cold, can cause damage, cracking, etc. to photos. And humidity, excess humidity, can cause damage to the paper and even the emulsion. So in your home, where you live, in a closet, on a shelf, just off the floor, you just want to make sure that there's not a possibility of water coming down from above or rising up from below. And you want to avoid light. Light can damage photos by fading or cracking the emulsion as well. I like a box that has several different sub boxes and then even dividing with index cards. And you want to use materials that are archival, acid-free, lignin-free, that have passed the Photographic Activity Test, the PAT test. If you have questions about storage and where is the best place, what are the best products, put them in the comments below. Happy to give you my advice.